start over.
I got him getting it. Today we're going to stop on me a second time. You see a little blanket will come on. So let's get started, get it, Mommy. I mean, Daddy.
Good try. That is a really good catch. Good Lord, baby. Your hands are getting good, good. Great catch, baby. Good Lord. All right, so what's that, 8?
Yeah.
9. Now, all of them over your head too, hon. Golly. That's 11. That's all of them over your head. That's a bad throw.
We're still on 10. I mean 11.
Alright, there's still 11 great catches. Good catch, babe. Back on up a little bit. Good catch, baby. Great catch. Well, you got this. We have to go outside now and start hitting. Back on, babe. That's awesome. Back on, babe. You don't even drop them no more. All right. Great catch. All right, that's a good place to stop right there, babe. Great job, baby.